y'all, we are back. We are back with another YouTube video. It is the spring essential launch for Buffbunny. I don't have my microphone, so I'm hoping that this sound turns out okay. I also forgot my tripod. As you can tell, I'm a little bit of a mess today. Just the best that we can. All right, we got some beautiful colors in this launch that I am so excited about. If you can't tell, my two favorite colors are pink and blue, and that will show in my PR box for what I ordered. It is launching on, what day is it? It is launching on March 7th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So don't miss it, and make sure you use my code GLUCOSEGAINS to support me and get 10% off of your purchase. First of all, talk about the color palette for this launch. There are a lot of neutrals, which I'm very excited about. Let's get into it. First of all, we have espresso, we have onyx black, we have baked blue, we have Rio Blue, which is one of my personal favorites. We have stardust, strawberry milk, Dalmatian print, white, essential print, Miami Vice, and lipstick red. The items that I got. First item that I got in my PR box is the Girlfriend Sports Bra. It comes in Rio Blue / white, onyx black / white, and lipstick red, and Miami Vice. Light to medium level support. Like I said, there is no padding. It's got a V neckline. This is very, very comfortable. I wore this the other day when I was lifting and it felt very comfortable to me. I do wish that it had padding in it just because I like to have some padding. But again, you can see the back, very strappy. And then we have the little Buffbunny logo right there, which is super, super cute. It is reversible, as you can see, and it's very strappy in the back, which I love for a pool day. And I don't know, honestly, that I would ever wear it this way. I just really like the blue. So I believe that I would only wear it this. I would not reverse it. So this does not have removable padding, and there's also not a way to add any removable padding in here either. All right, the next item that I got, you can see the Buffbunny logo. The Legacy Flare leggings come in, this is the color Rio Blue. They come in Miami Vice, and they also come in onyx black. I got these in a medium tall, and they fit perfectly. They're so buttery and so comfortable. The inseam on the short, they come in 3 different lengths. In the short inseam is 30-inch, regular is 32-inch, and then the tall is 34-inch, and they are medium compression. And I got this bra in a size small, and it fit me like it normally does. I'm always usually a size small in the Buffbunny sports bras, and then a medium in the leggings. So you can see I got this set, and it is Rio Blue. These are both launching for this collection, the Spring Essential Collection. I did order the Rio Blue t-shirt as well from the collection before this. I will say one thing I noticed, because I put this on with the leggings the other day to go to the gym, and it is not at all the same color. I actually ended up taking this off because I just felt like it looked really off. So you can see this color up against the leggings. Like it's just very off to me. So I didn't like how these two looked together. So I was surprised that the color was a little bit, I think you can see it in the lighting, but yeah, it's just, they're both Rio Blue. So I was hoping that I would be able to wear them together, but I just don't feel like they're the same color tone. So I'm not sure that I would. Next item I got is the Aurora tank. I got this in the color Strawberry Milk. So literally everything I got in this collection was either Strawberry Milk or the Rio Blue, because I just felt like these colors were so pretty. And I will do a try on haul as well for y'all. You can see there's a big like Buffbunny detail right here, which if I'm being honest with you, it looks reflective. It might be for running, but I'm not like in love with how big this is, but this color is so pretty. pretty. This comes in the colors Stardust, Strawberry Milk, and Espresso. The fabric is performance, it is waist length. Oh, and it is a reflective logo. It says that right here. And this is the back. It's in a size medium. Next is this sports bra, also in the color Strawberry Milk. I really like this sports bra. I like the back again for like a pool day. This color it's so pretty. It's like kind of a neutral, but kind of just ever so slightly pink. I think it's really, really pretty. So this bra does have removable padding. So you can see there's a little spot right here. It has removable padding. I got a size small. I haven't tried this on yet. It does look a little bit smaller. Like I'm not sure that there's gonna be enough coverage here, but we shall see. I will let y'all know. I will let y'all know. It is scoop neckline, and it also has the reflective logo detailing right here that you can see are the Rebel Impact leggings. Again, I got them in, you guessed it, Strawberry Milk. Everything I got, but look how pretty the color is. It's so pretty. Again, I haven't tried these on yet. These come in Stardust, Strawberry Milk, Espresso, Onyx Black, and Dalmatian print. They are high rise, and I got these in a size medium tall. They're medium to high compression. They definitely aren't like as stretchy and buttery and soft as these leggings that I got. We shall see. I'm wondering if these are gonna like stay up or if they're gonna slide down. Gotta put them through a workout and try. We gotta try. All right, and I got one more item. It is the Essential Short Sleeve Tee. Again, this color is so pretty. I need to have this on immediately. Immediately. It comes in Stardust, Strawberry Milk, and Espresso. I got a size large. I think I literally have gotten this shirt in every single color that they've released it in because I just love a good pump cover. Like some days, most days, I don't want to be in anything super tight and uncomfortable. So this to me is just like a basic throw on every day kind of thing. Sleep in it, work out in it, lounge around in it, whatever you want to do. But I literally have gotten these in every color. I think the espresso color looks really, really pretty as well. I'm not sure how the Stardust would look on my skin tone. I feel like it might wash me out, but this is cotton. It has a relaxed fit, and then you can see the little Buffbunny logo right there. Actually, my nails, I just got my nails done, and these kind of like match perfectly. Love it. I love it. We love when things match. Y'all, it is rodeo season again in Houston, which I am so excited about. I'm going to cook off. So this is the outfit that I have on. I need to put my boots on, but this is my little cook-off outfit. It's a dress, and then I'm gonna wear some red cowboy boots. Well, here we have the first outfit. This is the Strawberry Milk color. This is definitely feeling more like, when I put this on, more like a nude color on me than a pink. I was thinking this was gonna be more like a soft pink color, but again, I definitely feel like this is really blending in with my skin tone. I do love a neutral color for working out, but I do feel like this might be a little too neutral for me. Like now I'm curious if I should have gotten like the espresso color. But yeah, this is the leggings. As you can see, I got a medium tall, and then in the sports bra, I got, this is the back, really cute, reflective detailing on here, as you can see, hopefully. I got this in a size small. It does feel a little tighter than some of the other bras I have from Buffbunny that I get smalls in. I'm usually always a small. I'm a 34, like B or C. So this one definitely feels like a little tighter, but I still think it's comfy, it works. It just feels a little bit tighter, but I don't think going up to a medium, I think it would be a little bit too big. And then you can see the reflective detailing here as well on the leggings from the side. Again, from the back, I really like how we have some straps going on back here. I think it's really, really cute. I definitely want to see this color in espresso. I'm wondering if, I definitely feel like the Stardust color on me, since I'm so pale, I feel like it wouldn't look good. I feel like it would kind of really, really nude on me. I like the espresso. I might have to order some espresso because that color looks so cute on all the girls posting it. The next item I got is this tank, also in strawberry milk. So let me try it on for y'all. It has this like big Buffbunny reflective logo here on it. Tank in a size medium. So you can definitely see that it's more waist length. So my belly button's obviously here. Really comfy. But I don't know, what do y'all think about this color? Maybe if I did a spray tan, I feel like it might look a little bit better. I just feel like this looks really, really nude. And then again, sticking with the strawberry milk color, we have my favorite, literally gonna wear this to the gym, about to go hit upper body today. We have the, where is it? The Buffbunny logo here. And we just love a pump cover. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why. I just feel so comfy in an oversized tee, especially when I'm working out or like I'm about to go to Tiny Boxwoods and get a coffee and then go to the gym after that. But like this just feels comfy to me. This feels like my style, my fit. Lounging around on Sunday or going to the gym, either one. Like I love wearing an oversized tee with shorts for leg day. Like I just feel really comfy in this fit and I love this oversized tee. This is a size large. It is 100% cotton, so I do feel like it might shrink. Like I honestly feel like I could have even gone maybe an extra large just because I love oversized things. So what do y'all think about the color? Let me know in the comments. And let me show y'all the Rio Blue color now. Last but not least, we have the Rio Blue leggings with the flare bottoms, which these are so comfy. They're so buttery. I honestly feel like this fabric is more comfy than the items that I got in the strawberry milk. This is just like so comfy. Again, this bra does not have padding in it. It's reversible. It's got the V cut here. And then this is the bra from the back. Again, just super cute for back day, strappy. The pants, you can see the Buffbunny logo here. And then from the side. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know what questions you have. Got my tandem Mobi. Honestly, I always usually do this when I'm working out. I like stick it in my bra. And this is the fit. Rodeo season has begun. We are in a mini cut right now. Just can't seem to get out of a calorie deficit, but have a fantastic day, y'all. Let me know what questions or comments you have. Be sure to shop the drop next Saturday, March 7th at 1 p.m. Central Time and use code GLUCOSEGAINS to save 10% and support your girl. Thanks. Love y'all.